Are you tired of struggling with sensitive teeth or bad breath, no matter what you try? Do you feel like your oral health just isn't improving despite brushing, flossing, and mouthwash? What if I told you there's a powerful natural solution that could completely transform your dental health? Hi, I'm Sophia. Today, I want to introduce you to Denticore, the revolutionary supplement designed to help you achieve the healthy, fresh smile you've always dreamed of. But before we go any further, an important reminder: Denticore is only sold on the official website. Beware of counterfeit products. You can find the link to the official site right below in the description. Denticore is a supplement formulated with all natural ingredients that support your gums, teeth, and overall oral health. It combines ingredients like antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that work to combat gum disease, strengthen enamel, and eliminate harmful bacteria from your mouth. Here's what Denticore can do for you: strengthens teeth and gums, reduces tooth sensitivity, eliminates bad breath and bacteria, supports fresh, healthy breath throughout the day, improves overall oral hygiene and dental health. For the best results, simply take 2 capsules per day with a glass of water. For optimal benefits, it's recommended to use Denticore consistently for at least 60 to 90 days. Thousands of users have experienced amazing results with Denticore. Linda, 34, shared that after just a month of use, her teeth felt stronger and her gums were no longer bleeding. Tom, 50, said his chronic bad breath was gone and he felt more confident in social situations. Still unsure? Here's something that will put your mind at ease. Denticore comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see the results you expected, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. But don't wait too long. The special promotions are for a limited time only, and stocks are running low. Take advantage of the exclusive discounts and get Denticore today. Click the link in the description now and start your journey to better oral health with Denticore. Your smile deserves it. Encapsulate USA. Health on another level, real results.